Kulinganiselwa emalini engango-1 trillion wamarandi amadokodo amacala avuliwe kusukela ekuqaleni kwalesigaba sezimali.
As at the beginning of this quarter under review, the Directorate was handling 18,264 dockets with monetary value of 1 trillion 26 billion 817 million 12,597 rands 38 cents.
Emacaleni okubulawa kwamaphoyisa kuboshwe abangama-30 kwagwetshwa abayisikhombisa ngeminyaka engaphezu kwama-700 bebhadla ejele.
13 police officials were murdered, of which 8 were off duty while 5 were on duty. 30 arrests and 7 convictions with 22 life imprisonment sentences and 725 years imprisonment were secured.
Ezigamekweni ezingama-42 zokuphangwa kwezimoto ezithutha imali kuboshwe abayi-119 kwagwetshwa abayi-6.
6 convictions were secured on CIT and related cases. The convicts were sentenced to a combined sentence of 1 life imprisonment term and 147 years imprisonment.
Ulibeya uthi basebenzisana namaphoyisa ekulweni nokumbiwa kwegolide ngokungemthetho kanti baseyithendeni zongqondongqondo kulobugebengu.